We're coming off the playa or the beach, as
Playa Mango.
you white people call it. Playa Mango, Beach Mango. Beautiful
Playa
spot.
Mango.
Let's take
Spot.
NN 226.
The beer was so cold, had ice in it.
Blazed
Oh my goodness.
drinks and
Water was beautiful, food was good. A good little churrasco, some French fries. It was good.
a lot of malunggay
Yes,
here.
we are in four-wheel drive, people.
This one is a malunggay here now.
I know what you're talking about. I see.
Yeah, it's okay. It's just like that. That one, no, malunggay.
The road's
Careful there.
Yeah, the road's fixing to get real bad here in a minute.
Well, dancing.
This ain't nothing yet. Oh, should have got some road bears. They're out for a cruise around the island, really.
Oh, the one? Cruising Island?
Yeah, they're going this fucking road.
Oh.
You gotta go around the island. We
Oh,
can
this
do
one
it.
is going there already.
Yeah, we can do it.
Oh.
Take us a half an hour.
In 3.4
The
miles,
road's just gonna get
You
worse that
arrived.
way, too.
But maybe he's shaking one.
Oh, it's bad road. This guy needs to turn his fucking brakes on.
Oh my God.
Oh, he did.
Darling,
Oh, yeah. So this is Ometepe, Nicaragua, people.
Here in Playa Mingo. Mingo Beach.
And you think you have things bad back in the U.S., do you? You really think you have it that bad? Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
you hit the brake.
Have another beer.
Another bear in the hotel.
Everybody out hanging out. There ain't nothing else to do here on this island. Everything closes up.
Oh my God. This is the
Oh, here comes the hill, I think.
I saw the eyes of the dog, I think that one.
There's something crossing the road up there.
Yeah, that's the dog.
It's a chupacabra.
Cat!
It's a chupacabra.
Oh, monkey?
I don't know what the hell that
Look
was.
like monkey.
It did look like a monkey.
I don't know. It's a monkey. Like white monkey. Oh. Can't see the on the road. The video is shaking because of the road. Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah, this one was sucked in the car. This
Oh,
one was
no.
sucked real bad in the
Oh my
car.
God.
This is four-wheel drive only territory. Oh yeah, here we go.
Here we go, this thing. Oh my God.
Just some little potholes here. Just some little ones.
Must put the sand and the rock there.
Oy. Oh yeah.
Wow, what is that?
Something fell in the truck. Some kind of fruit or something. Oh,
Oh, is it?
yeah. Oh. Okay.
Not
Hold
even,
on to your balls.
not throwing something.
May have been somebody throwing something. I don't know. I think it was something falling out of the tree, though.
God, this.
You get a motorcycle, I don't.
I not bring her inside the car because she can come out of water.
haven't been able to make it out of second gear in a while. I think this might be a little rough right here.
This is the brick.
This is what they put in the road, so when the torrential rains come, it doesn't wash the road out. Instead of putting a complete culvert in, they put these half ditches in and they don't mark them.
Oh my God! This
So then you're. Oh yeah, look at this hole.
Oh,
That's a hole. That's a chuck hole right there, buddy. Oh yeah. They call him Charles, not Chuck. Oh yeah, here's a good stretch of road right here.
like like Messiah. Oh,
God.
no!
What the hell's that?
Oh my God!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We bottomed out here somewhere before.
Oh.
Can't remember where. Maybe it was in here.
Because you want to come to the Playa Mango, then this to explore.
Yeah, we're exploring, we're adventuring. Not many people in the world get to see this.
Yes.
We're not sitting.
Thank you very much. I can explore here.
Yeah, we're not sitting on the couch watching it on fucking TV. We're out doing it.
Yeah.
We're seeing alligators and turtles and snakes and volcanoes and different kinds of fish.
Oh no!
Oh. Snorkeling, diving,
Fishing.
fishing. Oh dear Jesus.
Fish, bunch of fish. Give away to the people. At least they all happy with us.
A lot of downed trees here from the tropical storm / hurricane, what, 2 months ago. As soon as you think you can get it in the second gear, this shit happens. Ugh.
They all cannot forget us.
My back hurts too much for this shit.
Oh,
This is where we
this-
bottomed. That's a chuck hole,
Oh
guys.
my God.
That is a chuck hole.
Oh no. Hey. Oh, oh. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Fucking back. My back hurts.
Oh my God. Someone he said he want to come here, then come back to San Juan del Sur, but oh my God. Where is the hot spring?
Hot spring is up by
So far,
up by
you're going?
Leon. No, we're not going there. They don't. Oh, we'll go there tomorrow morning. What the hell is that?
That's a dog,
Big ass dog.
like a lion.
Look at the trees down here.
It cut. Oh my God, that's full down.
Oh, that beautiful wood too.
Mhm.
Looks beautiful. So
Good for cooking.
good for making
You
furniture.
know?
Good for making furniture. Looks beautiful.
Making
Oh.
chair.
Oh my goodness. Look at this shit.
Oh no. Oh my God, this one.
Is this where we bottomed down at?
Somewhere there.
I know.
Got bottom. Oh my God.
Oy.
Bling bling ka dia.
Yeah. Turn the lights on. Right now. Oh shit.
Oh, why he bling?
Because I turned mine down, probably.
Oh.
Just making sure theirs were down. This is crazy. Can you imagine if it was raining?
Huh?
So can you imagine if it was raining?
Oh my God.
Raining heavily.
Oh my God. Maybe that one should ring like that, I think.
Oh,
You know? The tire one.
Oh, we're getting 400. We'll probably find
See, the banana is on the sidewalk already, you know? Because that's the baby one. Oh, is that? There is it. Is that eating there? Oh no. I don't have that
riding around here. Dark.
dark. Oh, I don't know.
No flashlight.
Yeah.
Chupacabras and Bigfoots running around down here.
He always do it really, that's like. But I don't want to walk like this without light one. Because a lot of people don't know some of that.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Oh, this road. Oh, crack one. Oh my God. Let me climb up here.
Try to pick the right route. So you don't get beat up too bad. Oh.
There's a road. Very clear. Ah. Oh. See, that's a good road already. Done.
Yeah. Only good road for 100 feet.